Hello everyone, welcome to Angry Stephanie TV. My name is Stephanie, I'm your host. On this channel we do direct sales, we do entrepreneurship, and we do business coaching. In today's video, if you have been looking on for how to start a business in Cameroon, don't worry, scroll no more, stop here, take a pen and a paper, sit down. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start up a business in Cameroon. Sit down, take your pen, take a paper and some popcorn, and let's dive directly into the video. Starting a business in Cameroon can be very interesting, but the first thing you have to do is to research and choose the kind of business you want to do. It's very important. There are a lot of business ideas and business opportunities that you can start today in Cameroon and start earning a lot of money. But it is also very important that before you start a business in Cameroon, consider going to do your research, and deciding on the kind of business you want to do is the first thing you have to consider before you start a business in Cameroon. Number two is to develop a business plan and a goal for your business. When you develop a business plan, this is going to help you find a solution to a problem, because every business has two options. It is either it is a problem or it is solving a problem. So it is important that you develop a business plan plus the goal. What is the goal of this business? Is it a restaurant? What's the goal of that restaurant? Is it a farming? What's the goal of that farm? Is it a content creation business? What's the goal of it? Is it kenkeri? Is it building material store? Like, what is the goal? To who do you want your product to be delivered? It's very important. Number three, choose a legal business structure. I know most people want to come and take advantage. Oh, Cameroon is like this, and then you want to come and start a business without knowing if you are doing a sole proprietorship business, a limited liability company, a cooperative. You are just doing business. No, you have to decide. Are you doing a sole proprietorship business? Are you doing a limited liability company? Are you doing a corporation? They all have different taxes. That is why you must choose a legal business structure, because these different businesses, they have different taxes that applies to them. Just in case you need a lawyer to help you out with this process, you can hit me up with my email address, and I'm going to link you up with a lawyer that will help you with this process. The next point is to make sure you register your business and get all your documents available. You need to submit your business plan. You need to identify your get a identification document like your ID card. If you're married, you present your married documents and all that. You need to write an application form. You need to pay your registration fees and make sure you receive all your registration documents. It's very, very important. Register your business. This is going to save you from a lot of problems. The next thing, which is the number 5 point to consider, is to get a business permit. It is very important. This is going to help you. It is like, I cannot stress on this point. Get a business permit. Depending on the kind of business that you do, there is a business permit for you. Get it. The next point, which is my number 6 point here, is to register for your taxes. Value added tax. Register and get your document and make sure you're paying your tax. It is very important. Number 7 is to open a business account. I know you have a personal account you'll be using from when they gave birth to you, or the one that you were using when you were still doing your up and down business. But because you're starting a business, let's say my business is Angry Stephanie TV, I have to open a bank account that carries that name of Angry Stephanie TV. Now, let me just give you 2 reasons why a business account is very important. Number 1, a business account is going to help you control how you run that business. Number 2, a business account is going to help you take a loan just in case you need to increase your business or expand your business. This is the reason, or one of the most important things you need to do. Get a business account. The next point is to secure fundings for your business. Now, you want to start a business in Cameroon. How are you going to raise your fundings? Is it from taking a loan from a bank, which I always say, don't take a loan to start a business. Always start a business with what you have, then take a loan to increase that business. I know it's very contradicting to a lot of people, but it's the best thing you can do. Always make sure that what you start a business. Let's say you have 5 million. Start that business with that 5 million. When the business grow and you see the way the business is growing, then you can apply for a loan for maybe 15 or 20 million. So, are you going to start that business by taking a loan? Are you going to use your Njangi? If you're also using Njangi, make sure you are taking their last name. If you take first name and you start that Njangi, you might not be able to play, and they'll come and lock their store. Number 6, is it from your personal savings? That's my third point under having a funding for your business. Is it that you want to take your personal saving, the money you've been saving to start that business with, or are you going to ask people for assistance? You need to know that before starting a business, how are you going to get money for that your business? Look for a way or a means to fund your business. Is very important. And number 9, make sure you hire the rightful employee. I know that most business owners in Cameroon that I have seen, you like to use your brother, you like to use your sister because you want to pay them small money, right? You don't want to hire expert. This is also the reason why most businesses are failing in Cameroon. I think I'm going to do a video on why most businesses fail in Cameroon. I have observed it. I have observed. You are abroad, or maybe you're in Cameroon, you want to start a business. You want to go and carry your brother, carry your sister, carry your cousin. They are not experienced in business. They don't know anything about that business, but you want to carry them. Why? Because you don't want to pay people. Don't get me wrong. It is important that when you're starting a business, try to limit the number of employees that you have by employing your brothers, your sisters. They can work even how. But let me tell you, if you're starting a new business, you can hire experts. Even if they have to do voluntary for 3 months with you, that you just be giving them motivation just because you want to monitor that business, rather than employing your family members who come when you're making sale. Let me just tell you one disadvantage when you hire your brother or your sister. When you are making money, let's say in a day your business generates about 1 million, and then maybe you are to pay them. They'll be looking at that your 1 million. They'll not know that you are paying rental. They don't know that you are paying taxes. They'll not know that you are settling other things. They'll be looking at that bulk money and they'll be jealous of it. Before you know, you have problems. So there are a lot of reasons why you should not hire a relative. I'm also going to do a video of that. Just make sure you subscribe and you stick around. My very last point right now is to make sure you promote as you launch your business. Tell your brother, tell your sisters, tell your church members. I know our own people, like your friends. Sometimes we post on our WhatsApp, we expect that our family members are going to patronize us. Some will patronize us, some will not patronize us, but they're going to help us tell other people that we have that business. If you start a business in Cameroon, launch that business in a big way. Promote your business. Don't be shy. You are afraid that if you tell people that you are starting a business, they'll come and be begging you garri and sugar. That's not even the point. Promote your business. When you promote your business, you get a lot of customers, not just around your circle, but even out of your circle. These days, there are so many ways to promote your business. You can contact me, Yeah, I'm going to help promote your business for you. So these are the things you should consider when starting up a business in Cameroon, or these are the things you need to know before you start up a business in Cameroon. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, click the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.